All right, technology number three for me is just going to be an online resource that I found. I've actually heard of this before and visited this website a few times, but I've never really used it. But right now is a perfect time because we're obviously teaching online, and my school district and administration have talked to us about still having a PE day or field day this year and finding ways to do it online. So actually, when I came across this is pretty exciting for me. Um, but this is going to be a resource that'll be more towards like other PE teachers, and particularly my co-teacher and some of the other PE teachers in our district to use. The purpose of this and the goal to use this is just to show them and all the resources that this particular website offers. But what I was looking at was for field day and actually using this stuff. But it's got all these different plans and ways to promote and do all this stuff. So it's actually pretty cool, and it's all free. So you can get on here and do all different kinds of things with it, which is really cool. Um, and what we've talked about doing is doing just some of our own like YouTube videos and posting them and making a resource like a certain page for our kids and our parents to get on and check out. But yeah, these are all pretty cool. So here, I'll just click on this one if my computer will load it. Yeah, here we go. So there's some paper plane cornhole, really cool ideas. Wind bowling, yeah, lots of good stuff in here. So it's pretty exciting. The standards I'm using for this one are 2E, which is just basically shared lessons learned, best practices, and challenges, and the impact of learning with technology. So this would be just some best practices in particular, I would say, is just using something new and finding ways to become a better teacher and a better PE teacher at that. And the other one is 3C, which is just to inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration. And that would just be me, using this and showing co-teachers and other PE teachers and collaborating with them and coming up with ideas. And we don't have to use this exact stuff, but just get us going and get us figured out with it. So I think those are the standards for this one. I think this is a pretty cool website, and it's particularly this field day that we were still trying to do. So that's pretty cool.